You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these bacteria. Scientific name, Latin name. If you want to learn more names from science, biology, medicine, stay tuned. I've got more videos you'll want to listen to and learn from. Bacillus, or actually it should be Bacillus Anthracis. How to pronounce English pronunciation. Bacillus Anthracis. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.